Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Lala. So today I'm going to take you back to the old method of braiding, which is the traditional box braid. So a little backstory. While I was learning, this is what I was taught. This is how I was taught how to make braid. I was not taught how to braid knotless braid, so it was later when knotless braid came and everybody jumped to it. So before, this is how we used to braid hair. Today, so my client came in and she was like, I want to make my hair. So I was like, okay, let's make box braid for you, the traditional box braid for you. And she was like, okay. Knotless braid used to pull her hair. I was like, okay. We finally agreed to make the traditional box braid, and this is me showing you how I started off by cutting my box and then prepping my attachments to hold the hair together. So this is how I achieved this hairstyle today. So guys, if you are new here, I am Lala Priye, also known as Lala P's Corner. So today I'm showing you how to make a box braid, a box traditional braid for my clients. So feel free, relax and enjoy the video. I'm going to see you at the end of the video. Take care. So guys, thank you so much for watching up until this time. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment your thoughts about this video. So in this place we are done, and I've dipped the hair into hot water. I've also used my mousse for styling, and this is me arranging the hair so that I'll pack it for her. And this is how the hair is looking, so neat, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. Take care. Bye.